Nice and shiny canola oil so it don't stick. Pretty easy to do. Kind of give us some oil so your block don't stick in it. I'm gonna dump about half, see how that does. We're gonna put it right on the fire over there. I'm gonna let that heat up, stir it up some, and this fire's been going for about an hour. Gonna make it nice and hot. Then when it cools, it should be a nice sticky block. So we'll come back in a little bit. She's already got a good boil going on already. It's only been like a minute. Just trying not to upset it. Kind of hard to record with one hand and crazy, it's already boiling. This fire's been pretty good. Should keep it going. So it's been going about 10 minutes. We're gonna get it off. The raisins got super huge. It's pretty neat. But we're gonna get it off, let it cool down for a few minutes and stick it in a bucket. There it is. I'm gonna put it in here. I rubbed that bucket down with canola oil so it shouldn't be so sticky when I try to get it out. So I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit and try to stick it in there. Hopefully it don't melt to it. There's half. I'm gonna do the other half here in a second. Put it right on top of that. Should harden pretty decent. Really sticky now, so it's all good. There's the second half, but this is a lot more. Last time it took about a minute and a half to start boiling. Got some bubbles over there. Fire is the best way to do it. Plus your wife don't want you inside with it. We'll give that another 10 minutes or so. All right. There, I think she's ready. I let that one cook a little bit longer just because there's a lot more in it. So, it's about 3/4 full. It's got some serious weight to it. But we're gonna let it set a couple days maybe. Let her thicken up. It should be a nice block, hopefully. Trial and error. Well, about a week or so with this, letting it sit. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to. I should have baked it probably, but we're still gonna try it out, see how it works. Looked like the last bit of corn they did come get. Yep, so we're gonna drop this off here. Keep them coming in. See what happens. There we go. Hopefully that would bring some smells. Yeah, definitely should have baked it. Nice and messy. That's pretty much that what it is. It didn't come out like a block like I wanted, but like I said, I should have baked it, but I didn't feel like making a mess in the house. But we'll check some cameras over here, see what we got for the last little batch of camera pieces. Nice little spot. I'll probably end up all the way up through there. Probably gonna rototill up, throw some seed out, plant some stuff before actual hunting season. But that's pretty much it. It's that right there. I'll put another video up of what it brings in for animals. Hopefully it brings a nice assortment of everything. But alrighty, thanks for watching and God bless.